Oh no. Uh-oh. 'Tis that season to grill with them good dogs. We're not grilling today, we're baking. What are we doing? What are we doing, dogs? It's one of the Red Dragon's favorite. It's some gingerbread man. God, that's an ugly gingerbread man. So yeah, here's what we got going. We got a half teaspoon of salt and ground cloves, 1 tablespoon of ginger and cinnamon. We got, what is that? 1 teaspoon of baking soda, vanilla, cinnamon, sugar, and this is the key ingredient, the Mexican vanilla from Ronald Reginalds. 3.5 cups of flour, 2/3 cup of dark brown sugar, an egg, 10 teaspoons of butter, unsalted butter, and then 1/3 of a cup of molasses and 1/3 of a cup of syrup. All right, grilling with them good dogs. Bacon. We haven't baked anything in a while. We gotta bake something. When I'm baking, I like to put all my dry constituents in the bowl first. I'm gonna mix them up nice and good, get them good and homogenized. Here's all the dry ones. Put them in. I already showed you what their levels are gonna be. So we're gonna mix it up in a minute. Chef Kleinbear has his favorite, the Captain Hook on there, on the old KitchenAid. So we still gotta put 1/3 and 1/3 of these two. 1 teaspoon of the key ingredient. I challenge anyone to find a better vanilla than this right here. Ronald Reginald knows what he's doing. We got the butter and then the egg. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this in the microwave, put it at like 10 seconds at a time until it gets nice and liquidy. Put the egg and the rest of these ingredients in there, and then dip it in the mixed up dry. All right, let's get back to it. There's the logo. Let them know we're serious. Let them know we're down. Where do you think you're going, huh? Where do you think you're going? There's stuff to be made here. All right, guys. So I got the butter melted. Put the molasses and the syrup in there. We're just stirring it up a bit. Gonna put the egg in there in a minute. And then, look, I'm gonna tell you right now. I said 1 teaspoon of that vanilla. I might go 1.5. I might go 2. Depends on how I'm feeling that day. I'm gonna be honest, I just love that stuff. Okay? Just wanted to keep you all honest, let y'all know what I was doing. Let's mix that stuff together. Remember, all that is gonna get dumped into there. Mix it up. And it's gonna be nasty, y'all. It's gonna be sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. We're gonna be chopping it up over there. I'm hoping to do this without freezing it, but I'm probably honestly gonna have to put the dough in the freezer or the fridge for maybe 5-10 minutes or something. I gotta go shower too. Been working all day. Yeah, grilling with the good dogs. There's the logo. There's the logo. Look at that perfect pour right there. Still gotta break that yolk with. Man, sometimes my genius surpasses my own beliefs. Well, it's to be expected when you're a professional cook and you're grilling with the good dogs. Hosted by me, the Fat Dad. All right, so that's about the full lump that you're gonna get out of that. I'm gonna probably cut it in half or 1/3, throw the rest in there, flatten it out, and then start cutting some shapes out of it. Now this is for a thick, chewy, good gingerbread cookie. This is not the Red Dragon's favorite gingerbread cookie. The Red Dragon, part of the Grill with the Good Dogs show, hosted by me, the Fat Deed. The Red Dragon, she prefers the cookies made by her mother, which I find to be basically gingerbread crackers. I don't care for them. But my gingerbread cookies are big, thick, and chewy gingerbread men. So let's get to them. Let me start cutting some out, and I'll start throwing it on the grate here in a minute. So I'm going to do this as many times as possible, but yeah, you just kind of, smash them. And take that, and I keep throwing them in the pot, and I'm just going to keep rolling it together until I make enough gingerbread men to satisfy the Red Dragon. I think she likes them because it reminds her of burning and pillaging and eating all the villagers of a small medieval town as she flies away on her scaly wings of terror. But that's just me. Let me put these on the pan, keep it going. I'll check back with y'all when we got everything done. It's about to go in the oven. In the oven, it's going to go in at about 350. And let me check the times. I think it's going to be not very long, like 10 minutes or something, but let's look at it. Grilling with the good dogs. All right, as you can see, I still got plenty more to make. Got that. That's what's remainder. That's what I've made from it so far. We're going to throw these bad boys in there. I'm going to throw them in there for probably about 7 minutes. The Red Dragon does not like, or she says she doesn't like crispy, overburnt cookies, but Again, I always felt like her mom's were crackers. So I like mine to be thick and chewy. We're going to go about 7 or 8 minutes, check on it, see what's going on. Toss them in there. And yeah, one thing I forgot to mention was, according to the Red Dragon, they need to have raisins for 2 eyes and 3 buttons. I guess she just likes to pretend they're little people. They have little clothes and little eyes that have terror in them while she devours them. But I don't know. I don't have any, but we got some like sprinkles here that I'll try and put on there to do the best I can. I'm sure this won't be the last time I make these during Christmas. Grill the good. Hot damn! Look at them big boys. Look at them big boys. All right, time to put some eyes on them. Let them cool a bit. And then offer them up to the Red Dragon as a sacrifice to allow me to live one more day. One more day, grilling with the good dogs, as the fat did. Let's put them eyes on them. And we got all these to throw back in there. And y'all can just admire that sweet logo.
Oh, I was hoping they'd put it on the dress.
If I can hold the camera steady. So there are those bad boys. Not looking half bad. I did those on the Quasar, Captain Quasar, Super Genius Extraordinaire. Baking sheets. This next set, I'm just going to do straight on the pan, see how that comes out. I throw them bad boys on there. Let's do it. 8 minutes. Set the timer. Those are done. Let them cool before they pass the taste test via the Red Dragon, which we all live in fear of. There's the logo, which we all put our faith in. Grill with the good dogs. Hallmark movies. Well, all right, guys. The Red Dragon has officially given these her seal of approval. So I'm going to have me one of these bad boys here in a minute. Glass of milk. First, I'm going to bring these over to the neighbors so they can have some. There's my Crocs. Love those. Yeah, because Zach doesn't live there anymore. So you left, buddy. I don't know what's wrong with you. You could have stayed here and kept getting food, but nope, you had to leave. Anyway, guys. Love you, Zach. You're my boy. This has been Grilling with the Good Dogs. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It's always fun to just bake something instead of make a full-on meal, but yeah. Grilling with the Good Dogs. You have a Merry Christmas. Don't worry, buddy. I'll make it quick. That isn't half bad. Your arm in there, too. Love me some good old-fashioned cannibalism. Good night, y'all.